The secret to boosting production speed. Polyurethane in 3D printing. With 3D printing using polyurethane, you can achieve high-precision design and production at low costs, while also producing lighter products. This technology serves as a quick and flexible alternative to injection molding, offering unlimited design possibilities. It's ideal for creating small, intricate objects with complex shapes. These are just a few of the many advantages of using polyurethane in 3D printing. With computer-aided design, 3D printing allows you to build your final product layer by layer with high precision. The key industries benefiting from 3D printing include aerospace, defense, medical, dental, electronics, automotive, consumer goods, and construction. It's the best choice for manufacturing complex, optimized parts. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.